What's up, creatives? John Wan here, director, photographer, recording artist, back with another original DIY music video setup. Today, I got a couple of original setups for you guys, both under $80, and you know it's all on point. But before I dive in, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video and that you're subscribed so you never miss a beat. Summer is halfway gone, and I'm just getting started, so keep it locked. The first setup I want to touch on is the money wall. With the assistance of my guy Numbers, I stuck fake money to a corner wall in my studio using double-sided tape. Now, you can feel free to add as much fake money as you like, but for this setup, I went about 4 feet high, just enough for my guy Strap 1700, who's about 6'2", to sit upright comfortably. The scene came out hard and was really a favorite among Strap's guys that showed up. Next was the gritty silhouette look that was honestly impromptu. I hung plastic wrap in the background of what was really just a regular smoky room scene to prevent the rest of the studio from being visible, but as we were changing scenes, I noticed that the silhouettes of the guys on the other side of the plastic was way too fire not to shoot. This was probably my favorite and the most notable scene from the video, just for the gritty look it gave to a real gritty, hard style of rap artist in Strap. That video is going crazy on YouTube right now and was overall a fire production to begin with. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check it out yourself. Aside from these setups, there's a lot going on in this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the video and what other parts you want me to cover next time. Creatives, thank you from the bottom of my heart for running me up and for showing these artists the love that they deserve for making such dope art. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We post plenty of content from the hottest artists from the tri-state and more. The best way to lock in with new content from me is on Instagram @PlentySkills, or with my production company @UsualPolitics and @P.A.U Studios LLC on all platforms. Remember, you can't skip the process, but you can miss your opportunity. Keep grinding, creatives. Peace.
P.A.U Studios shooting everything. Movie status.